Exercise 7b, this is using version 8 of AutoSketch, which would be the same for the lesser version 6 and 7. There'll also be another AVI for version 9, which is slightly different in the way that the layers work. But in this exercise we're going to take an existing house plan and put some of the layers into the background, turn some off, and then create a new layer to draw over the top as if it was a second floor. To start with, I right mouse click on the layers and the left click on layer properties. The layers options box comes up, and the first thing I'm going to do here is click inside the box, hold down my control key and hit /, which is an old DOS command, but it selects everything inside that box, and I'm going to change the state to masked and then change. So now everything has been turned off. I'll now choose area, holding down the control key, and brick, and change those to background. Change. And now I'll create a new layer based on brick. So I've clicked on the brick. You can see at the front of the brick there's an underscore. That's there for a reason, so we can put a 1 in front of it if we change the level. So 1_ brick. I'll change the colour to dark blue, and I'll change the state to current. Now we don't want to hit change, we need to hit add, and this will add the new layer. So add and close. So now we've got all our brickwork in the background, and our new current layer is 1 brick. If I now go to, say, my double line command, and I'll change that to 90mm and draw on the left, we can see that I can choose a point, E for endpoint, and I'll go P for perpendicular, and I can draw around on top of what's already here, and for the new lines. Now you can see these are black, that's because the bilayer values weren't on. So to fix that up, I'll select what is there, bilayer, bilayer, and the final bilayer, and that has set our values for 1 brick. The other thing with layers, we can see the width with the bilayer is just the smallest width. If I right mouse click on my layer properties now, 1 brick, and I make a change, say to the width, I'll make it quite wide to thick 5, and change. When I come back to my drawing, those changes have been reciprocated on the drawing because of the bilayer settings.